After the April 22 Pahalgam attack, where 26 civilians were killed in Jammu and Kashmir, which was termed as a terror attack, tensions have risen between India and Pakistan. Now, in retaliation to this, Pakistan has now tested their second missile, whereas the Ministry of Home Affairs in the country, India, they have issued a notification asking 244 districts to conduct civil defense mock drills starting May 7th in preparedness if anything should happen during a hostile attack. Nagaland is part of the preparedness drill as well, the mock drill, where 10 districts have been identified, namely Dimapur, Kohima, Mukokchung, Monpek, Tuensang, Woka, Zunupoto, Kifre and Perin. 10 districts have been identified to have these mock drills starting tomorrow. In regard to Dimapur, we spoke to the Deputy Commissioner, who has informed that they will be having an emergency meeting with different departments of the government as well, which would include the police, including the district administration, as well as the CMO, the Chief Medical Officer's office, and various other departments that are here in Dimapur, including the home guards as well. Now they are going to see and identify locations where these mock drills will be conducted. Now he has also mentioned that since it was just a very sudden order that the MHA has issued, they are going to conduct these mock drills regardless and also identify these places as well. Now the main objectives of this mock drill is to also assess the effectiveness of air raid warning systems, radio communication links with the Indian Air Force, to test the functionality of control rooms and shadow control rooms, as well as provision of crash blackout measures, early camouflaging of vital plants and installation, and to verify the activation and response of civil defense services, including warden services, firefighting, rescue operations and depot management. Now this is just a few of the what they want to assess in regard to any eventuality that might occur post the Pahalgam attack and now the tension that has been rising between the two countries. And as mentioned, 244 districts has been mentioned, and 19th has been also given top priority for these mock drills to be conducted, these locations to be conducted as well. Nagaland, as mentioned earlier, has 10 locations where these mock drills will be conducted starting tomorrow. Now all district administrations are mobilizing to ensure that this mock drill goes smoothly as well. Esther here with camera person Tamjan for Nagaland News Network.